In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check saved passwords in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you forgot a login, need to sign in on another device, or just want to review the passwords you've already saved in your browser. I'll walk you through the exact steps on both Windows and Mac, so you can find the password you need in just a minute. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and tools. From the drop-down, select Settings. When the Settings page opens, look through the left-hand menu and find Passwords. In some versions of Edge, you may see this under Profiles or directly in the Password section, but the goal is to get to your saved login information. Click on Passwords to open the Password Manager. Now scroll down until you see the Saved Passwords list. This is where Edge stores websites and accounts you've allowed it to remember. You'll see a list of saved entries, and each one should show the website name and the username or email associated with it. Find the website or app you want to check. If you have a lot of saved logins, you can scroll through the list or use the search feature if it appears on your version of Edge. Once you locate the correct entry, click on it. This may expand the details or open a small login prompt depending on your device. Before Edge reveals the password, it will ask you to verify your identity. On Windows, that usually means entering your Windows device login password or using your PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition if your computer supports it. On a Mac, you may need to enter your Mac login password or use Touch ID. This is a security step, and it helps make sure only you can view your saved passwords. After you complete the verification, you'll see an eye icon next to the hidden password. Click the eye icon to reveal the password. Once you do that, the password will appear in plain text, so you can copy it or write it down if needed. If you want to hide it again, just click the eye icon one more time, and the password will become hidden again. That way you can safely check your saved login details without changing anything in your account. A quick tip here, if you're trying to sign in somewhere new, you can also copy the password directly from Edge and paste it into the login field instead of typing it manually. That can save time and help avoid mistakes. And that's it. You now know how to check saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can really help when you forget a password or need to access an old account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.